How to restore recently deleted story on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can restore recently deleted story on Instagram. So you have to just click on your profile icon and then go to the three lines which is present on the right side top, and then go to your activities and then go to recently deleted like this, and you can see on the top there these are the recently deleted posts. When you just further go outwards you can see the recently deleted reels, and on the further you can just see the stories which you have recently deleted. So you can just click on them and just click on the three arrows which is present above the more, and you can see there's an option for restore. You can just click on that and it will be just automatically seen to your story again. So in the similar way you can just restore your reels and or your post. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.